Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the door to this 63 Impala when it's freshly painted. Let's begin. First of all, what I do, I cover all the edges with tape all the way around, as you can see right there. So that's the first step you need to do. Also, you're gonna have to cover up this edge right here, right there. You don't need to cover anything up over here because I haven't installed the fender. I removed the fender just so that I don't scratch it. So that's basically what we need to do. Just cover that up and cover the door. Once you have all this covered, next step, just bring the door to the car and align your hinges. Those hinges are already aligned on the body. That wasn't removed, so we're gonna just align these right here. So let me just carry it to the car so that you can see. Right there, all I did, it latched it to the actual latch. Now I can adjust these so that I can put the bolts on. All right, now that you have it set more or less, I installed two bolts. One on this one, I got these two on already, but they're not bolted on. So I need to adjust the angle and everything to the door before I start tightening everything. But as you can see guys, one person can do it. It should be aligned here. The gap should be perfect. I'll check on that right now. Let me just align the angle of the door and tighten it. And there it is guys. Door has been installed. All the bolts, brand new bolts on everything. We're good to go. All we need to do is install the gaskets, door handles, trim right there, but we're getting one step closer. All right, so you saw how the door was installed. I already installed the seal. All these are installed already. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start installing the trim that goes right here. All right, that's the one. What I'm doing here, I'm holding this rubber seal for the window because it has staples right there. So I'm just holding the staple together so that I can bend it right there on the back. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Let's just go. So we are installing brand new seals for the windows and everything. This is brand new. The thing is that the holes that this thing has, like right there, it's for the staple, but it's not aligning with the ones that it used to have. So what I have to do, I have to drill where those staples are at so that it aligns. That's what we're doing right now. It's not aligning because this is a different company than the factory one. So let me just drill these holes right there and install the staple. There you saw me drill those two little holes. I just have this vice grip so that the rubber doesn't move. These are the staples that come with the kit. So I'm gonna install it, then I'm gonna use this vice grips to hold the staple in place so that I can bend it through the back. There it is. The staple is installed. Now I'm going to use these to clamp this and hold it in place. There it is. Let's hold that in place. You can see the staples right there. Now I'm going to bend them so that they look like this, and that should do it. And there you go. I still need, I believe, one more, which is way over here. Let me finish that one and I'll bring you back how we're gonna install it. Here it is. All I did, well, I got this vice grips there because there's a little felt that needs to be installed right there. It's a brand new one, but this one only has three screws, 1, 2, and 3 right there, and it'll hold this piece down with this rubber seal that you just installed. Now this is just 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. This one goes inside this chrome piece. You gotta put it inside and it'll line up perfectly. Now while I let this dry, I did put some contact cement because this was riveted on, and it's real hard for me to rivet back on, so we used some high bond contact cement, which will hold it. I'm gonna leave it for about an hour or 2, then remove it. Then we're gonna have to install the glass, the side glass, but let's just wait for that to dry. I'll come back once that's dried and ready to install the glass. Real quick, before installing the glass, I'm gonna install this, which is the mirror. Let me install that, show you how it's done. The mirrors are extremely simple to install. It just has this little bracket, and I installed brand new bolts. Now after that, there is a gasket that goes around it, and the mirror has this little thing right there, which is going to get hooked to this part, and there is a screw that goes in through there, which is going to be bolted on. That's going to hold it right in place. There it is, guys. Super simple to install. Here it is. It's been an hour. Now the felt that's supposed to go there, nice, strong. It ain't going in anywhere. Now we can install the window. There is a trick to install it. You need to install it in an angle. There are these rails right here. This one's right there, and this one right there are gonna be going in to a rail that's on the window. Let me show you. This rail right here. Those two little rollers are gonna be going into this rail. So it's gonna have to go into an angle in order for it to align to that. Then I'll show you what else needs to go on. All right, now that the window is inside those two rails, there is a second one, a third one actually, this one right here, that this rail, the one that goes right there, is going to go into that one. Let me just install it. There we go. It's got 2 bolts, one right there, one right there. That's going to hold the window up. All right, I haven't tightened it completely because this one you can let it go. This one is perfect right there. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, but we need some stoppers. It has some stoppers inside of the windshield. Let me show you. All right, it's these two stoppers. This one goes on this side inside the window. This one goes on this side. Now let me install them and I'll see if I can show you. They're gonna go right there, and there it is. Those are the stoppers. There's one on each side. You can't see the other one. Let's see, right there. The window is still wobbly. Reason being, I still need this little vent window that's here. So that's what's gonna be next. All right, so let's just bring that little vent window and install it so that it can be a little bit sturdier. But there it is. All right, I got the little vent window. Now this gasket right there was replaced. I am gonna show you how to replace it in the other one, but I removed all the bolts. There's only 3 bolts that are holding this together. So I removed all of them. We're gonna insert it in there and line it. All right, we have inserted this window vent, but as you can see, it's not aligned. I did place a bolt there just to hold it in. That's where it's supposed to be anyways. But now the trick is to align, let me see, these have to be aligned so that the window can go up and down smoothly. So let's just do that and go from there. I still need to attach this mechanism, which is gonna open the little vent window. Let's do that in a little bit. Let's align these first. There it is. The window has been installed. Everything is good to go on this side. Now I did install this, which is the one that opens the little small vent window, which is, there you go, right there. So that's good to go. And the window. That is good to go. All right, let's continue. All right, we added a couple of little touches. You got this wind deflector or rain deflector, and we also have that scratch shield that goes on the handle. So the rain deflector, they're super easy to install, and they do not block anything. It can open, and it opens up with that. Perfect. Looks nice. Looks real nice. So I don't know if you can place it anywhere you want. You can place it here, you can place it over here. It all depends on the style that you're looking for, but for right now I'm gonna place it there. If they don't like it there, we can move it and place it on top. But the window is on, and we're good to go. The mirror is on. All this side's getting done real nice. And this is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are following this build. Remember, the next build that's coming after this one, it's gonna be a 1979 Monte Carlo, and that one's gonna be from the frame up. We're gonna get the frame first. We're gonna flake it, we're gonna pattern it, and then we'll get the Monte Carlo and do the same thing to that. So stay tuned, and always, guys, subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. Also hit that thumbs up, it helps a lot. And this is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Like always, stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer.